So, after 2 days of fighting with it, Ryan is victorious over the Pioneer of Doom. This is the same Pioneer we made a video about a couple of days ago. He has just put it back together, and it appears to be alive and well.
All thanks to Magnify.
What do you say, Magnify? I see. You're not impressed, huh? Magnify, look at me. Look at the camera. Look at your audience. Your audience wants your attention. That's all you got to say? Magnify? Biscuit. Biscuit. Sausage biscuit.
Fabulous. Shop manager extraordinaire.